Hello, and thank you for joining me for another 2-minute tutorial where we share technology tips, tricks in just 120 seconds. This time it's Microsoft SharePoint and how to share documents or files with friends and colleagues. Let's see if we can beat the clock this time.
So sharing in SharePoint is really straightforward and is an amazing feature which allows you to collaborate on documents and not create duplicate files. It's just a much better experience and working together. So here we've got a file here that I'd like to share. Really straightforward. I can click on here, hit share. I get a few options here, so anyone with a link. At the moment mine's greyed out because we don't have access. I don't have admin access to do that, but you just need to talk to your provider for that. I can select anyone within my business, anyone with existing access or specific people. I can then define whether they can edit the file or how they open it, and I can also block their downloads if I want to do that. Go back to here. So here I can either type in an email address or a name. So Tess, send her a message, hello, and I can send it, and she'll then get an email with access to that file. I can either copy the link and then I can send that via Teams, or I can click on Outlook, which will open up an email with a link pre-set into it and send an email that way. Other ways to share, so if you right click on there, you've got share, and that pulls out the exact same option there, and you have this little bit here which allows you to send a link and do exactly the same process. You can also share the file from within the document. So let's open that file up. So here's the file now opened up for you, and you can head right up to the top and you've got a share button there, and it will load up in any second now. There we go, and this gives you the exact same experience as you saw earlier.